Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to password protect your Wix website in 2025. Whether you want to secure a single page or your entire site, this guide will make it easy. Let's get started. First, open your Wix editor and go to the Pages and Menu section. Here you'll see a list of all the pages on your site. Keep in mind, if you password protect only your home page, only that page will be protected. If you want other pages protected, you'll need to repeat this process for each one. Alternatively, you can use a members area where users must log in with credentials. But for this guide, we'll focus on password protection. Next, choose the page you want to protect, for example, your home page. Click on the three dots next to the page name and select Settings. In the Settings panel, click on Permissions. Under Permissions, you'll see options for who can view the page: everyone, password holders, or members only. Select password holders and then enter your desired password. For example, you can type xyz12 at dot. After entering the password, click Save to apply the changes. Once your password is set, publish your website to make the changes live. To test it, click View Site. Navigate to the page you protected, and you should see a prompt asking for the password. Enter the password you created, click Go, and you'll gain access to the protected page. And that's it. You've successfully added password protection to your Wix site. Remember, repeat these steps for any other pages you want to secure, or consider using a members area for full site protection. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Wix tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.